What is up, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to find a vacuum leak with a straw, a glove, and some vape. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to take one of the fingers and we're just going to bite a small little tear in it. Something like that. This car has been having a bunch of issues with unmetered air, and what unmetered air is anything getting past the throttle body behind the mass airflow sensor. So on my car, we have the mass airflow sensor here, and air was getting past that because the RPMs were spiking up without me hitting the throttle. So what we have to do is we're going to take our straw and we're going to wrap the glove around the throttle body, and we're going to put our straw through whichever hole that we cut. And then all we have to do is pull the throttle body open and then close the straw and get some vape in there. And we can see that we have a massive leak around the gasket. So that is one quick way to test if where the vacuum leak is coming from. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace the gasket with the correct one, and then what we'll be able to do is we'll be able to do that test again, find out if there's another vacuum leak in other places. But it's as easy as that. But I hope this video helps. If it did, please leave a like, subscribe down below. And until next time, my name is Ryan, this is Project Race Car, and that was how to find a vacuum leak.